Hey, what's up? This is Roy from Scratch Made Easy. In this video, we're going to continue working on the cut. This time around, we're going to add eighth note baby scratches to the rhythms. You'll find a link to the sheet music below. Okay, let's walk through the first rhythm. We're going to release on beat 1, close the fader, pull back on beat 2, then baby scratch 3 and 4 and. In the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 1 and 2 and, release on beat 3, close the fader, and pull back on beat 4. Alright, the tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. Let's play that example again, but this time we're going to play the rhythm 2 times for a total of 4 measures. This time around, let's also try to concentrate on making sure that we're closing the fader and cutting off the sound of the pullback. Alright, let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. Let's take a look at the third example. This time we're going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, release on beat 3, and cut on beat 4. In the second measure, we're going to baby scratch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to play this 2 times for a total of 4 measures. All right? Let's count it off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. 1. 1. Let's go ahead and break down the fourth and final example. We're going to release on beat 1, cut on beat 2, release on beat 3, cut on beat 4. In the second measure, we are going to baby scratch 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to play this 4 times for a total of 8 measures. Let's count it off. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. 1. 1. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video. As always, remember to practice this lesson several times with both hands. For premium content, head on over to our website, scratchingmadeeasy.com. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section below. See you next time. Peace.